So we're going to say that the patient's already in the system. So we've just added them. So we're going to go ahead and search and we're going to pull up that patient. So I'm going to double click. I am going to make sure that it's under account. It's under the right physician. I'm going to hit new order. And then I'm going to mark if they're fasting or not fasting. So we'll go ahead and say they're not fasting. And then we're going to put whoever drew blood. So for example, if I drew blood, I put BP. And then next, I'm going to look at the custom profiles. You'll see how we have a post-male, post-female. Those are going to be for the hormone replacement therapy, initial. And we have a female physical. And then we also have a male physical. These are two different profiles, a Chrysler physical. And then those are the PAPs that we use as well as the MPP. So let's say the patient's on the MPP, the metabolic peptide program. And I pulled all those down. And let's say they've had labs before, so they don't need that TPO. So we would just use that profile there without the TPO. And then you'd hit continue to continue on with the order, but we're actually not going to order anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, I'm going to hit test, and I'm going to delete them. You can do that at any time. You can hit that test tab and delete whatever test you don't need. So I'm just going to make up what they need. We'll say they need a CBC, CMP, a TSH. Let's see, a ferritin. We'll go ahead and we'll add that. Now, what we don't want to do is we don't want to add something like an IGF or something that's frozen because we can't put frozen in with refrigerated labs. These are all refrigerated labs. Same with the ABO. An ABO is from temperature. We don't want to add an ABO. Now, let's say we want to try to find the autoimmune panel. So I'm going to search autoimmune panel, and obviously I have the name wrong, so I'm just going to search autoimmune. So I'm going to retype in autoimmune. There it is, autoimmune antibody profile. Now I know this is refrigerated, so I can add it to the rec. And then we'd hit continue, and then we'd hit continue again if we were finishing out this rec. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cancel it because we really don't need to order it. And it'll just take me back to the screen.